Learn how to use prepositions of place in English. Coming up. Hey student, I am teacher Prix and I'm going to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. First and foremost, thank you so much for watching this lesson. Make sure to subscribe because every week I bring different kinds of English lessons to help you become a better and more confident English speaker. Now let's talk about prepositions of place. And I believe that the main tip that I can give you here is to use visual aids. The best way to learn prepositions is by looking at things, looking at pictures, going on Google Images, okay? And here in this video, I'm going to show you an image and teach you some phrases where I'm going to use the preposition. I think that's the most productive way to show prepositions of place to someone. You may be a little confused if you're not very good with the sense of direction, but really, if you don't understand the preposition that I'm sharing here with you, go to Google Images and I am sure you will find another picture, another image that will help you better understand what the preposition of place is. Now, the first one, as you can see here on the screen, in front of the pink bed, there is a scooter. So there you have it, in front of the bed, there is a scooter. Now, looking at this image, do you think this bedroom, is neat or messy? Is it neat or messy? So neat is when something is clean and organized. Messy is the opposite. A room like this, for example, is completely disorganized. Now, guys, let's take a look at the next example. Next to the purple bed, there is a bicycle, okay? So next to, teacher, but right, how about beside? It's a possible way to do so, okay? Here when I say next to, near the purple bed, next to the purple bed, or beside the purple bed, these are possible prepositions of place to describe the bicycle, near, next to, beside the bed. That's why I'm using the image, so it gets easier for you to understand what the preposition is. One good exercise you can do is go to your living room, go to your bedroom, or to your bathroom, or to your kitchen, and start describing the positions of things. For example, in my case, there's a camera in front of me, a webcam. There are 3 pictures on my wall in front of me. So you see, I'm practicing in front of me. Behind me, new example. Behind me, let's see, I don't remember. There are books. There are books behind me. So what is behind me? Let me know in the comments. Now, guys, moving on. There is a doll on the purple bed. What is a doll? This is a doll. But you can see that the doll is in contact with the surface. That's when we usually use on. So on the bed, there's a doll, okay? Next, in the middle of the room, there are objects on the floor. So here I use the preposition in the middle of. Actually, it's a short expression, in the middle of, and the preposition on the floor. On the bed, on the floor, on the surface. Now, in the middle, let me use here a post-it, okay? So we have the corners and we have the middle. Let me use a pen here. The middle, well, maybe it's not such, okay, in the middle. So when you look at all the bedroom, let's say this is the bedroom. In the middle, there are toys, there are objects, not toys, there are objects on the floor in the middle of the bedroom. That is insane. Are you kidding me? Well, there you have it. So that's a good way for you to understand, okay? Now, next one. There is a desk between the two beds. So I have one bed, I have another, and in this space right here between the two beds, there is a desk. Oh, but teacher, couldn't I use in the middle? Well, if you're thinking of using in the middle, you are thinking of translation. You're probably thinking of your language because probably you speak Spanish or Portuguese or any Latin language. But here, the best option for you is between. When I have two things, okay, so I have post-it here, and between the two post-its, I have a purple pen. So I don't have three hands, so it's hard to do it, okay? So in between, okay, here, there you have it. So that's why I'm showing you images. I'm showing you the picture because this is the easiest way for me to explain. I could give you dictionary definitions, but with some words in English, it's better if you see, okay? Now, another one. There are paper sheets in the trash bin. Now, trash bin. There are paper sheets in the trash bin inside, okay? Teacher, why can't I say it's paper? Why can't I say papers? Paper has no plural. So paper sheets or pieces of paper. In that case, he's really talking about paper sheets, this. If I have more than one, I say sheets, paper sheets, okay? I can't throw this away, this is important. So there you have it, bye. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button, okay? When you hit like, it means you enjoy the lesson and it helps other people find this information if you share this video as well. Now let's keep going. There are shelves on the wall. Wow, this happens to me. I have here shelves, okay? 1, 2, 3. By the way, I need to clean. It's a little dirty. Oh my goodness. So shelves. And on the shelves, there are books, and the shelves are on the wall, okay? So here I'm using on again because it's in contact with surface. So the shelves are on the wall. On the shelves there are books. Next example. The pink bed is on the right of the picture, and the purple bed is on the left of the picture. So here I'm talking about right and left, on the right, on the left. And there is a backpack behind the chair on the floor. Ah, nice. So there is a backpack behind the chair on the floor. Great. And here the next example, there is a toy train under the bed. So you can see the image here on the screen that helps you identify the toy train under the bed, okay? So these are important prepositions of places, okay? Now, what are we going to do here? I will show you a picture here on the screen, and I want you to create examples in the comments. That way you will be practicing, okay? So post your answers, try to do it. Post your examples in the comments. That way you will be practicing your English. If you have questions about these prepositions of place, let me know here in the comments. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye!